Hello and welcome to this presentation on the National Extended Certificate Level 3 in Information Technology, which is provided by the Pearson Exam Board. Quick overview of the course. What kind of things will you be doing and studying? Developing knowledge of IT systems, hardware and software, different types of hardware and software and how they interact. Managing and processing data and how that goes on out there in the real world in businesses and other organisations. Using IT to communicate and share information in organisations, the different systems that organisations use, IT systems to share information. We've got a number of practical units where you'll actually be developing digital products, actually constructing and making relational databases, advanced spreadsheets, not just basic spreadsheets, but quite advanced use of that tool, that software, and also the use of social media and how businesses use social media and actually creating social media sites, posts, updates to try and promote products like a real business would. It's also important to understand that you're not only making these products, but you have to provide detailed plans as well as making and then testing and reviewing the products. So it's not just creating them, you've got to do a lot of paperwork and explanation of the products before and after making them. It will support progression to a career in IT or into higher education courses in IT, but is also designed to appeal to other learners who may actually want to have careers or study in other areas, but feel that IT is obviously a key part of those studies or careers. What kind of person is going to suit this course? What kind of skills and interests is likely to be relevant? Well, if you like computers and IT hardware and you've built your own PC, that's a really good start because you have a good understanding of the hardware side. If you like logic problem solving, how things work, if that's something that interests you, we believe that students that are good and suited to maths and science and computer science, but also business, because all of these IT systems relate to the real world, to businesses, and engineering, again, about how things work, how things fit together, how the sort of a set of processes, this happens, then that. If your brain works in that logical, math, sciencey type way, it's probably going to suit you. This course is going to suit you. Last thing then, the 4 units you're going to study are a theoretical unit with an external assessment of the written exam, which is all about IT systems, hardware and software, lots of detail involved with that written exam. Unit 2 is actually creating a complex relational database. This is also an external assessment, so you are actually going to be under exam conditions being asked to make and use a database. So 2 units are examined and done under exam conditions. The other 2 units are more what we used to call coursework or internal assessment based, where you'll be set tasks and projects within lessons and then have to carry out those tasks. Again, designing, planning, making and testing some social media activity and how to promote businesses using social media, and what they call data modeling or advanced spreadsheets, and again creating a very complex spreadsheet for a specific purpose, and those 2 will be marked internally. So 2 exams and 2 courseworks, if you like. Okay, I hope that's given you a reasonable understanding of the course and the kind of people it will suit. Thanks very much for listening.